Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. Let me get all lined out here. My sound off. My glasses are dirty. I don't have my apron on, sorry. Oopsie. So, what we're gonna do today, I hope you're having a great Thanksgiving. We did. We ate a bunch of food. So, figuring out what's in the way here. Get that bottle out of the way. So this, we're gonna do our new Thanksgiving thing, or just something different this year. So, I'm not going Black Friday. I'm going to the hockey game with the boys. My boys are my son who's 18 and my youngest son who's 18 and my husband who acts like he's under 18. But he got us all hockey jackets. So to wear to the Havoc hockey game. And I decided, well, I guess he decided that we get us all ones, but we wear the same size. You know, guys, XL. But that means that he wears mine all week and then he wears his to the game. And I don't think that's fair. So he says, because I don't know which one is mine. So this one is mine. I'm gonna make it mine and we're gonna show him how. So this is our sticky mat. They call it the ink mat. This is the big one. And I am going to put that on the inside. What this does is holds it in place so that I can ink on it and it doesn't move around. So, yay! I had to think a lot about what I wanted. He did the same thing for softball, and I put our last name on the back of it, but I thought, I want everybody to know my last name at the hockey game, because they're mean. I might make somebody mad. Just joking. I just think a little bit of privacy as I'm on Facebook Live showing everybody everything might be good. So what I do is I take the plastic off and expose the sticky. And what I do is you turn it inside out. What I do is I turn it inside out. There's a lot of ways to do the same thing. And I go from shoulder to shoulder. And I know I'm inking on the back, so I got the tag. So I can tell. And I put the shirt down because backward's always better for me. Trying to get all the hair off. It's not for my husband. He doesn't have a lot of hair. Shh, don't tell him. Uh-oh. I'm saying that's good for me. It probably is good for me. So I'll put this in about the middle. I'm not going to do the whole thing. And I put the sticky side down. Then I flip it over to right side out. And I know it's already set. I tried doing it other ways. I can never get it straight-ish. So this is the way for me. So get the hoodie out of here. So I just knocked a bunch of stuff down and my husband says, I deserved it. I deserved it. I just like picking on him, especially when he's sneaking up on me and watching me. So we have fun like that. I will get that later. So I know the middle from this thing in the jacket. I need to get my chalk, and I forgot to bring my chalk out. And my measuring stick. Get a ruler or a measuring device. I have one right here. Ah! And this is what, wow. So this is what I'm going to put on there. I don't know if you can read it. It's going to say, mine. Because I'm so funny like that. So, I'm going to put it a little close. I-N-E, like that. This is the hard part, getting it. So it's 12, about 14, so about 7 inches each way. I need to end this. I know I have a lint roller. And I'm really lucky because I have this thing to follow at the top. I have a seam up here. Can you tell Marcus I can hear him giggle? You hear me? Kevin. Okay. Hey, Pam. My sweet friend Pam. She does lives and sells paparazzi jewelry. Excellent prices, excellent quality, excellent service. I suggest everybody work with her. So, Kim. Now, you can fuzz. Sometimes I do. Sometimes I don't when it goes on material. Because I like a good, a good sticky thing so it doesn't get messed up. So nobody can yell my name. My son thought I should just put my first name, and you're going to say, he can just say, this is mine. Trust me, I got that one figured out too. So I'm going to get it very close because I can see through the thing where the eyes have it. So trust me. And you can do one letter at a time, but I like to lay it out so I know that I got it out, because the letters, even though these are all the same size, the letters are different sizes and it makes it look weird if you space it by the squares. So I space it by the actual letter. And I'll have to turn you sideways. Okay, you are so crooked. Let's go a little more that way. Too much. What are you doing, woman? And it's falling down. London Bridge is falling down. Let me sing it to you. How was your Thanksgiving? Did you guys have fun? Did you eat good food? Did you cook like for an army like I do? Yeah. I just cooked for a battalion, not the whole army. I don't know why it won't work, but okay. It's like sometimes my computer thinks I'm dead on my iPad, doesn't recognize my fingers on it. All right, last one. And this getting it placed is probably the hardest part. So from the middle, I should have 7.5 this way, and I have not 7.5 that way. A little bit off that way. It's because that eye is a lot shorter than you thought. But I'll come fix it. I'm moving you over a little more. Yep. So I see my line in the middle. There we go, 7. There we go, 7. Okay. So I know this is the placement. I do one letter at a time, re-stick it, and keep going back and forth. But this, I need to put something here. I'm going to use you here and here. I have some water ready to put my stuff on. I have wet wipes out. And a pad ready. So we'll start with the M. And this is why I know he's not gonna say this is mine, because mine's gonna be in glitter. In glitter gold. One of my faves. Because I did do my last name, which we have the same last name, obviously. Well, I shouldn't say obviously, but. So this is all you have to do. It's silk screen. Just like they do silk screens on shirts. Guess what? silk screen on a shirt. We just did. Now it's staying wet over there. Put in my eye. Put your eye out, mister. Ha ha ha. So what is your favorite Christmas movie? We watched a very dark one just now. I didn't realize how dark it was going to be, but it was Fat Man. Somebody put a hit out on Santa Claus. Look at that. Guess what? I know how to fix that real quick. Before it dries, degoop it. Put this here, not touching that. I still haven't even got more paint from the first time I took a lot. So one of the big things I find I have to really watch is the edges. I often don't put enough on the edge, and when it comes off, I have to redefine the edges a little bit. Nice and wet. Just making sure I'm not putting paint everywhere. Don't let that, silly woman. A little more. That was too little. You're like, you're going tonight. How are you going to wear this tonight? Well, all we do is dry it. Ta-da. Let me clean my fingers, and I will show you. I'm going to dry it with the heat gun. Ta-da! It's mine! All mine! Anytime you think you have your shirt, look on the back. No, it's mine. You say, oh, that's not his, that's mine. You can say, no, it's not hers, but mine. He's not going to wear pink mine. Not pink, I'm sorry, gold glitter mine. Thanks for watching. So I'm going to dry this with the heat gun. I'm sure you don't want to watch that. It's literally watching paint dry. And then you take it to your ironing board, or if you have the Cricut iron, the Cricut press machine, which I do not have, you can gift me one. Maybe I need to contact Cricut. And you heat set this for about 1 good minute on very hot. I put parchment paper between the two because I don't want to mess everything up and mess up my iron. And it is set. I have clothes I have been wearing that I've done this on, and it works, I promise. So I will show you the finished product in the comment, so watch out. Thanks, y'all. Did I have any comments come up? You didn't look. Finish.